Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing lots of happy mail that I received. Some of it are gifts from my birthday, I think some Valentine's Day, and some Easter happy mail. I think I'm also just going to share a couple of other quick items that I picked up at yard sales and at Goodwill at the end. The first thing that I received is from my local friend Denise. She gave me these cute washies, and these are where the flowers pull off the washi roll. Those are so fun. I will definitely be using these to decorate my outgoing dewdrop packages. And she also makes these bags. She has a business. She makes these special bags for all the crafting materials, Cricut machines, die cutting machines, and all of the Misties. She gifted me her small Misty. She said she doesn't use it anymore like she used to, and she knows that I use these things. She also left her stamp on there. She is the one that I go to the Stamp Expo in Arizona with every year. She shared this with me, and I'm so appreciative because I did not have one. I will link her shop down below. If you're interested in any of these bags, you can just let her know that I sent you her way. Next is a birthday gift from my bestie, Sharon, over at From Cheap to Chic. I will also link her channel down below. She gifted me this awesome cordless high temperature hot glue gun. This is great. Where I craft and where my outlet is, I have to run a cord over my island to use it. Super excited to try this out. He sent me this so sweet bracelet, and it's Bestie bracelet. It is so nice. I love it so much because we are besties and I love wearing bracelets. This one I never take off. It's my copper one. I always have a hair tie because I have really long hair. And this my daughter gifted me for my birthday. I always have my garment on. For Christmas, me and my daughter had jewelry welded onto our wrists. I chose the little hearts. I love it so much. So there's no clasp. It doesn't come off. I'm going to be adding my Bestie bracelet from Sharon onto this. I love it. Thank you so much for those thoughtful birthday gifts. I have a bunch of happy mail. The first one is from Tony. Beautiful card. I will have Tony's channel linked down below. I love it so much. And let's see what she sent my way. We have this beautiful piece of ephemera. She sent me some cutting dies. I never found these at my dollar store, so that's awesome. She sent me these super cute s'mores and marshmallow stickers. I'll be using these on my packages. And she sent me these really fun stickers, which I am putting in my star and moon kit. Very nice, Tony. Thank you so much for this prize. I'm so appreciative of it. And this next one is from Diana at Diana Loves Colors. I will also link her channel down below. Let's see. She sent me, it says, "Open Me." This is so super cute. And it looks like this is probably for Valentine's Day. She sent me some super cute hearts. Yep, it's a happy Valentine's Day from Diana at Diana Loves Colors. Thank you, Diana, for these. I love hearts. And she made this cute little pocket. And on the inside, lots of goodies in there. You have a Be My Valentine, some stickers, pretty butterfly. Ew, this is so cute. Awesome. I love these words. I don't have anything like these words, so very nice. Diana, thank you so much for thinking of me for Valentine's Day. I only got out Christmas cards this year. I wish I could get more out. Maybe next year. I hope to be able to do that. And this is from Regina. I will also link Regina's channel down below. She also sent me a really pretty Valentine. Thank you so much, Regina. She shared these envelope seals, which I love because I use these on my dewdrop packages. These really pretty roses, these gorgeous clear stickers, Hey Cute Valentine, and these stickers and this vintage paper. Regina, thank you so much for thinking of me on Valentine's Day. This is from Misty, Mystical Misty 1, and she sent me a birthday card. I love green. She probably knows that's my favorite color. She wrote me a nice note on the inside, and she shared this really nice washi tape tape with me. Misty, thank you so much for this birthday envelope. I appreciate it so much. It was so thoughtful of you. Next, we have this really fun package. It is from Marissa at Fun Size Crafter on Instagram. She has this really nice envelope and this cute bunny. So cute. This is cute. She made this little pockets. She's wished me a joyful and blessed Easter. Thank you so much, Marissa. Marissa is such an amazing supporter. Look at how sweet her Easter card is. Adorable. Love all the eggs, that cute bunny, and she left it blank for me. Thank you so much, Marissa. You're so sweet. You are so good at sending out happy mails. Thank you so much. I received a package from Teresa Carolina Bug. I will link her channel down below as well. She sent me a Valentine, and it is so super cute. She is amazing at using her Cricut. I only have an old Cricut, so mine does not print it cut. She is so super cute. This is the inside of the card. So adorable. I love their little eyes. And she also shared these cute Valentine's Day stickers and this super cute mini envelopes. These are adorable. Oh my goodness, I love them so much. She also sent this beaded pen. So this is my third. Let's see. Here's the other one that I have. And I have this one, so thank you so much. I love it. Thank you. And then also she had a giveaway on her channel about some images that she was able to print and cut out. She sent all of these amazing girlies my way. They are adorable, and this is great for practicing coloring. They're so cute. And I also was able to figure out how to download and cut this on my brother's Scan and Cut. Thank you so much for sharing these. I couldn't do this one because it was trying to cut out every single little letter, but it did let me cut out the girls. Thank you. I'm also going to be sharing these with Sharon at From Cheap to Chic. She told me she had picked up some Copics, and these are great to practice with that. Thank you so much for those. This Just a Note card is from Donna over at Donna Designs. I will also link her channel down below. She sent me this note, and she had purchased some dewdrops from me directly. Thank you so much for that note, Donna, and for your order. This birthday card is from Diana over at Diana Loves Colors. She sent me this really nice happy birthday card, and it says hug. Thank you, Diana, for this sweet note. I appreciate you so much. And she did send some goodies my way. We have this You Inspire Me, and she sent this happy birthday die cut. I don't think I have that one. Some cute birthday balloons. We have these cute monkey stickers and some gold foil die cuts and these adorable stickers. They are so cute. That's so sweet. Is that a stamp? I love that. Thank you, Diana, so much. You're always sending me such generous, sweet, happy mail. I appreciate it so much. This card is from Mary Ellen. I will also link Mary Ellen's channel down below. She sent me this really pretty card. I love how she has these beautiful papers. She is wishing me a happy Valentine's Day and a happy birthday. Thank you so much for thinking of me, Mary Ellen. I appreciate it so very much. We have this card from Helen Loves to Create. I will link her channel down below as well. She sent me this super fun coffee cup card. I love how she used all these different patterns and the gold foiling. She's so sweet. She sent me this card and a ATC card, which I have a pocket sleeve for now that I've been saving my ATC cards in, and this is so super cute. She did put information on the back, which is awesome, so I can remember who made it for me. She used such nice papers and this really pretty trim, and then she also shared, this is where her note is, and these cute hearts. Thank you so much for that, Helen. I appreciate it so much. Thank you to everyone that sent me happy birthday and Valentine's Day and Easter happy mail. I appreciate you all so very much. I'm so grateful for everything. And real quickly, I'm just going to tack on a couple things that I picked up. So everybody has been hauling all these Hobby Lobby clearance, and the only thing I could find are these colored bells. There was nothing else in my store that was on clearance. I did buy two, one for myself, and then I'm sending one to Sharon. That was it for Hobby Lobby, but I did go yard sailing, and I just found a couple of quick things. These really cool playing cards. Let me see if I can get it open. Here we go. These are clear. I think they're just the coolest things ever. And And I know a lot of people do swaps with playing cards, so I definitely wanted to grab these and put them in my stash. They're super cool. I got those for 25 cents. And then this is 50 affirmation cards. I like to send these kinds of things in my packages just to brighten up people's day. I've been sending out, let me see. I also got this book at a yard sale. Let's see if I can find the cover. I think I pulled the cover off. But this is a How to Be Happy book, just all happy, positive things. So what I did was I took the book apart. I've been sending out these positive, sweet, fun notes to people that have been ordering my dewdrops or Happy Mail swaps. I love these so much. I am such a huge quote person. I have quotes all over my craft room. I have them written down on all of my notebooks. It just can really change your mindset on a bad day. So I picked these up from the same person from these, and these were also only 25 cents. These are cactus napkins. I live in Arizona. I thought this is going to be a great thing to swap with people because I know a lot of people use napkins. She had it listed for $1, but she gave it to me for 25 cents. There's a good stack in here, and it's actually from My Mind's Eye, which I was pretty surprised to see that. I don't have any napkins, and I've never used them in my crafts, but I know a lot of people like to swap them, so I figured I would grab them for future swap. Someone just gave this to me for free. She said if I could use it, I could take it for free. I really like to write letters. I have a bunch of pen pals that I just write letters to back and forth. Thought this was just so super cute. It has the matching envelopes. And I do have a section in my craft room where I keep just my stationery. I thought this was so adorable, adding that into my stationery collection. I was waiting for my daughter. I dropped her off at a concert and she wanted to make sure she could get in with the blanket that she was bringing. So I didn't want to leave the area. So while I was waiting in a parking lot, I found a Goodwill at the other end of it. So I figured while I was having to wait, I might as well run in there. They had bags of wood-mounted stamps. They were so ridiculously priced. $14.99 for like 2 stamps, $15.99. I was like, no way, that is not a good deal from Goodwill. But I did come across this. It was hanging on an end cap in the middle of some other aisle. Just feel like sometimes people don't know what it is, because this ended up only being $4.49, and I bought a jacket, so I had a 20% off coupon. This was $4.49 less 20%, and it ended up being the Stampin' Up! Clover Punch, and it has the matching clover, which is perfect. I think today, when I'm filming this, is actually St. Patrick's Day. This is the Lucky Clover, so we have the stamp and the punch. And I have a few things for St. Patrick's Day, but not much, so I'm happy to have that added into my collection. It's so funny. A couple of weeks ago, I posted that I found a Big Shot. I think it was an embossing folder, and I said I had never found one before, and now I just found 2 more. This is, let's see if I can see the name of it. Okay, Textured Impressions Framed Tulips. Okay, that's the name of this one. And yeah, I guess those are little tulips there. This one is the Basket Weave Dynamics. Sorry, my ring light is putting up a glare, but this is the Basket Weave, which is very cool. That's great. And then it also had the Thanks a Bunch. So excited to find this. I love carrot things. And it has the layers. And these are the clear ones. So these were actually the red mounted. And these are the clear stamps, and that's what they look like. So fun. That was a great score. Before I go, let me show you the current release that's going on of my dewdrops. We have this beautiful yellow. We have this beautiful blue. We have this gorgeous green. I love this green. And we have this really nice eggplant color. This is the March-April release. Thank you so much to everyone that purchased the limited edition Peeps release. That sold out, and I love seeing everyone who's been doing unboxings of that release. That release was such fun colors. I thank everyone so much for their support. These are currently available in my Etsy shop, and I did update what is currently available. If you're ever looking for a custom order, all you have to do is contact me on Instagram or send me an email of the colors that you're looking for, and I can definitely come up with something for you. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my craft room, and have a great day.